Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. Now to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, be it you are new and you not yet subscribe, guys make sure you do what to click on the subscribe button, make sure you like, share, make comments, and also guys you can also click on the bell notification and also follow the telegram channel. I will put the link to the telegram in the comment section. So let's see what we will be expecting for the day once market opens, which is on Monday. Let's see what we should be expecting once market opens. Now let's start with our trend. We all know, first thing foremost, before you take any trade, you would want to know your trend for that trade. And we can clearly see that this year on our gold is an uptrend move. It is very clear that we are in an uptrend move, right? Now, take a look at this movement right here. So if this is our high, and here comes the higher low. So market eventually pushed out to give us new higher high, and here comes the higher low, right? One thing we should be expecting next on gold, it should be another push up that will give us a new higher high, right? That is exactly what we'll be expecting. So for the week, this is exactly what we'll be expecting. We will be expecting for market to push further up till it gives us a new higher high. But for the day, in order for us to predict what market will likely happen on Monday, we need to go to the forward time frame and see what the market is doing on the current trend. Remember, we have the main trend, we also have the current trend. So the main trend says we are in an uptrend move. Now the current trend is trending, ranging, right? Our main trend, our current trend is literally ranging. Now take a look at this movement here. Where markets came here, we had a rejection that made it drop, right? The market eventually pushed up again, and we had a reaction that made it drop. So this is one of the reasons why we highlighted this level as our resistance level, and another reason why we highlighted this bottom as our support level. So once market comes to our support level, we tend to see it push up to tap our resistance. Now we are currently at the resistance level, so we are now expecting market to drop to come to tap our support level. So for the day on Monday, gold should be giving us a sell. We should expect gold to drop to a level of 4294. So within that level is what we should be expecting gold to drop to. Now, if there will be any changes to this movement, as we should always keep our analysis flexible. If there will be any changes to this movement, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So in order for you not to miss out on that update, all you just need to do is click on that subscribe button, like and share. Also make your comments.